Okay, so you might be wondering, how do I make money with the strategies that you are sharing, D? Like, how do I make money like this? So you can make low amounts all the way up to high amounts. There's really no limit when you work for yourself. So let's talk about the strategies that I teach or share. I pretty much share two different ways to make money in the digital product realm. Okay, so the first way is to actually help you build a digital product of your own. So I help you build out a core digital product. Now, a core digital product consists of like a course, coaching program, or a hybrid, which is with a membership community involved. Okay, so this is the first way that I show people how they can use or create digital products or build a digital product empire. They can go this route, but there's also another way you can go. Say, for example, if what you want to build, you're not even sure what you want to build yet. You just know that, hey, look, I want a digital product business. I want to sell something digital. I want to do something digital. What we could do as well is I help you promote other people's products. Okay. Now, there's ways you can do this. It's really only one way, right? But at the end of the day, what you're doing here is affiliate marketing. That's what it's called. Okay. Is when you're referring customers to other companies and they're giving you a commission. So then they're paying you out. You're splitting the profits with them. They'll take care of all the fulfillment, the customer service and everything with the product. You are just promoting the product or recommending the product, and you get a cut of that. And you do that by creating content. Now, there's also another way you can also make money with the digital resource kit. All right. So I am allowing you to give it away. Oh, that could be your freebie. And the great thing about it is, let's go over to the kit. The great thing about this kit is, with these automation tools all inside of here, you can use them for yourself. You can go through here and look at the different types of tools and determine which ones you need or which ones you want to use. But also, some of these on this list, some of these AI tools and automation tools, you can promote them. So you can actually share this resource guide and change the link. Literally, like you can come in here and change the links out. So you can come in here and just edit and put your link instead. That way, when you share this document to other people, they're clicking on your links, not my links. Okay. So you can do that as well. Okay. And you will be able to flip out this link here. You can put your own community here. Right? Because what you're going to do is you're going to click file, make a copy, and now it's on your own Google Drive, and you can go in here and edit it to your heart's content. Okay. So you can change out the links. All right. And put your links in as well. And you can make money. This can be like your freebie, because this is basically mine. I'm creating this document, but you're promoting somebody else's. I'm just, the way the document is made allows you to go in here and put your own links in. And then you can share this document with your audience. And then when they click the resources that they need, because you're going to be giving them a tool, you're going to give them a tool as well, right? So you can switch this out and say, hey, these tools, and then you can highlight them. Say, for example, you don't want to fiddle faddle with the whole document and delete stuff. You can just share this resource, because It depends on who your audience is. But if they need a productivity tool, you can say, hey, I highlighted for you on the AI and automation tools, the best tools that'll be good for you in your business or what you're trying to do. And you can highlight them. And then all of these that are highlighted, they're your link, not my link, right? So that's what makes it beautiful, right? In and of itself. Okay. So you have the ability to do that. So let's go back over here. So you can give away the resource kit as well and change it into yours. And then also these tools you can become an affiliate of. And I show you exactly how to sign up for them. The majority, they're mostly free. Okay. And then they come with free trials. So you can see if you like the tool or not, if you want to implement the tool in your own business, or if you just want to say, hey, I want to recommend this tool, but let me try this free trial to see if it's trustworthy, to see how the emails come, just to see how their customer service work. You can do the contact us, help, see how fast they help you, like basically review the product before you recommend it to someone and what you believe the product would be good for and how it can help them accomplish the goal that they're trying to accomplish. So that's two different ways in which the strategies I share can help you. Because of course you're going to build out your own core, or you can recommend other people's products, or you can recommend their products until you build out your own core. You can even recommend products to your audience just to see where they interest lie the most before you even build out the core. That is something you can do. Okay, so I wanted to let you know how you would go about making money. And this strategy, these two strategies can make you a lot of money. All right. Now, I'm going to be totally transparent with you. When you're doing this first one, the pro about it is you get paid up front when you sell your course or your coaching program or community. You're getting that money up front. When you're referring and promoting other people's products, some affiliate products, they give away these trials first. So they give away a 14-day free trial before they actually charge the customer, which means you're going to have to wait 14 days before, until they purchase the product in order for you to get the payout. So sometimes the payout on affiliates can be anywhere from 30 days to 60 days before you get paid. This takes a little longer, but it's reoccurring income. So it's monthly reoccurring. But what you could do is you can do this. You can offer your own coaching and courses up front to get that upfront money while you're waiting on your affiliate income to build up. But if you're working a 9-to-5, you can work your 9-to-5 to come home. And then from 6 to 9 or 6 to 10, you're doing your affiliate business until it actually rolls over enough to where that money is starting to flow in. Because when you first start making your sales, you're going to be waiting 30 to 60 days out. But eventually the rollover is just going to happen month after month after month. And then it's not going to be a wait period once you build it up. But this is anything that's recurring income, they call continuity. And they say, if you ain't got continuity, you ain't got no business. Because with coaching programs and courses, you're always selling. Always selling. But with affiliate, you're not always selling. As long as you showed them how to use the product and the product is helping them in their business and is simplifying their business and is making their business easier, they're going to keep on the subscription. They're going to keep using the tool. SaaS is the best tool ever, or the best business model ever, if you ask me, because everybody needs a tool, some type of tool in their life. And there's tools that cover all ranges of things. You got calorie counters, you got dog walking AI stuff and apps and all these different kind of softwares for various types of niches there's a software out there for everyone. There's a gym software, there's a school software. You know, the colleges I worked at had softwares and CRMs made just for schools. Like there's softwares for basically everything. So, and if you can get a software that has a monthly recurring bill to it, which the majority of these do, okay, you get paid, right? And that brings you even more freedom, because now you're not really dealing with customers, you're not dealing with support, and that's if you don't want to. Like me personally, I love my courses and things like that, right? I love my membership community, you know, but you can still have a community and still do affiliate, right? So there's a lot of different ways you can do community, and that's going to be in an upcoming video of mine where I'm going to list out the 5 different ways. Actually, I think it's 7. It's 7 different ways you can do your community. All right. And I don't think enough people think outside the box, or they don't know what they can do with a community. So it didn't even cross their mind. A person don't know what they don't know. Okay. So I have 7 ways that you can build out your community and different ideas. So hopefully it'll help you. So make sure that you like this video. It pushes it in the algorithm. You comment below so that way you can get the resource kit for free. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I upload that community video, because I am going to be breaking down 7 ways, and I'm going to be giving you some examples from my own community in that video as well. Now, I don't have all the options available, but I'm going to do it just so you can see that it can be done and how it would be done. And if you want more intimate training on that, you need to join the Builders community, and I will have all of those links for you down in the description below. So I'm hoping this was helpful. And if this is a way that you would like to get paid, make sure you join the Builders community so that way we can help you out. Okay. All right. Into the next video. Bye.